Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a college. Now there's lots of different colleges out there and lots of different colors for different college teams. So I hope you guys follow along and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with for your college drawings. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy this video. Now to start off with our college, we're going to begin with the front of the building. So I'm going to start right down here and let's just go ahead and make a little straight line across here. Now starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and I'll do the same thing over here. We're going to make a little line that's going to come up. Next, I'm going to draw a line across here for the top. I'm going to start right here at this line. I'm going to make this line come out a little bit farther, and then I'm going to go down and connect it to here. I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to go out, I'm going to come down, and we'll connect it right to here. Now, starting right here at the top, I'm going to make a little line across the top here and a little line across the top there. Then I'm going to make this line come out a little farther. I'm going to draw a diagonal line at the end. Then I just want to connect the top. Now, starting right about here, I'm going to make a little triangle shape. So we'll make a little line that comes up, and then it comes down to here. Then I'll make another one. It's going to be bigger, so we'll go up. Then we will come down. Now, starting at the bottom of this line, let's make a nice line that comes out on each side. It's going to come down and then in. We'll do that same thing here. Let's go down and in. And you can see I kind of went in at a diagonal. Now, at this little corner, let's draw a line that comes down and over. And let's do the same thing here. Let's go down. Then let's come right over to here. Now, right up here, let's make a nice long diagonal line on each side. So we'll start right here. We'll make a nice long diagonal line. Then let's draw our line right to that big triangle on each side. We'll draw it right to that big one on each side. Now right here, let's make a little line that comes down on each side. And let's make a nice line across so we have a long skinny rectangle. Then let's make this line come out a little farther. We'll do another line that comes down on each side. Next we'll make another line that goes right across here. And we'll kind of make a couple steps. Now right here, let's draw a line that comes down on each side. And then right next to these steps, I'm going to make kind of like a bumpy little line right around here to make it look like there's some nice bushes right here. So we're just going to make some bumpy little lines. Can kind of look like clouds a little bit. Then let's make a little line that comes out on each side, kind of at a diagonal. Now we want to add a few little details onto our college. So one of the things we want to add are some windows and some doors. So let's start with the doors. Right here, let's start by making a nice little kind of squared rectangle shape. And we'll draw a little line right down the middle. I'm going to draw that same shape right around here for a little frame. Next, we're going to put 2 little lines on top and a little line across. Then I'm going to put another triangle on top with another little small one inside of it. Next, I'm going to add a couple rectangular shapes on here for some windows. So we'll put a couple right here. We'll add a little line across. Next, let's add a couple windows over here. We'll make a couple more little rectangle shapes right around here. I'll put about 4 over here. 2 of them are going to be hidden. We'll put a couple over here too. So we'll just kind of add that same thing. Put some of those little rectangle shapes. And then you can add some little lines right across the middle of them. And then I like to add some little diagonal lines inside of here just for a few little details on our windows. Now, one of the last things I want to do is I want to add a little flag over here. So I'm going to just go ahead and make a nice long straight line. Make a little line across the top, and then we'll bring it right back down here. Then I'm going to put another little bush kind of right along the bottom here. On the top, I'm going to add a little circle. Right here, let's make a wavy line, and then that same wavy line down here. Then let's go ahead and draw a little line down. Now this flag, you can add any different little college colors on here that you want. You can choose whatever college you want and then add some different colors on there. One of the last things I'm going to do is I'm going to add some little handles on my doors, and then I'm going to add a couple little lines onto my columns here. And I think I might put some more windows right here just to make it look a little more interesting. So we'll make some more rectangles and a couple more little lines in there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a college. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.